Hello.
Hi, Echo.
Hi. Hi, Maya.
Hi there. Good morning, and thank you for contacting us.
Okay.
Let's proceed with the process. It's very quick, and I have some questions.
Okay.
First, may I know your address, complete address, please?
Currently living in Glagah Kidul, RT 2, Tamanan, Banguntapan, Bantul, Indonesia, Yogyakarta.
Thank, thank you. And what are your skills, or what is your main skill?
My main skill since 2014 is doing Python web development, also Scraper. Before that, I'm working with .NET and also Java.
Okay, and what is your email address?
My email is in swdev.bali@gmail.com.
Thank you so much. And that's it. Thank
Thank
you
you.
for your cooperation. And we will email you shortly about your account status.
Yeah,
Okay?
thank you very much. Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.